Hi, my name is Natalia, and today I want to tell you about the gestures that we're using in larger video calls, in these gatherings when maybe not all of us can talk at the same time, but we want to share our feelings and share our common understandings. So the first gesture that I want to show is celebration. I'm celebrating what I'm hearing, and I'm really happy and joyful about it. And the second one is mourning, and it's this one. It's like raindrops coming on the window on a rainy day. Then sometimes we're hearing something that we really can recognize in ourselves, and we feel the same. And the gesture is this one: me too. Yeah, I feel this too, or I think this too, or it happened to me. And then sometimes when we are present in a video call, we lose the track, and we feel lost and we feel confused. So this is this gesture. It's like, I'm blank, I don't know what's happening. Can you please come back a few steps and explain it with other words, or maybe slower. And then there is the last one that I want to introduce today, and it's my favorite one. And it's this one, and it means my heart goes to you. With all my love, I'm sending to you. So yeah, hopefully these gestures will help us to connect to each other and find the gatherings more meaningful and joyful for all of us.